Good morning, dear students. Last class I told problems on direction ratios and direction cosines. At the same time, whenever the two lines are perpendicular to each other, two lines are parallel to each other, in that case, which type of conditions we are going to applying with respect to direction ratios and direction cosines. At the same time, I told two theorems. When a line is passing through a point and parallel to one line of vector at a time, how to find out their forms in Cartesian and vector forms. At the same time, I told vector and Cartesian forms in the case of a line must be passing through the 2 points. Like that, I have finished two types of theorems. Today, we'll solve the problems on those two theorems. Those problems are belonging to 11.2 exercise. Now let us, the first problem is find the equation of line passing through a point. Find the equation of line passing through a point 1, 2, 3 here and parallel to one vector 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap here. Here in this case, a line is passing through the point 1, 2, 3 and parallel to one more vector is 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. Diagrammatically, we are showing here, see here, it is a fixed point O here. Passing through a point A is 1, 2, 3 here and P is the general point here, that is x, y, z here. It is parallel to one vector. It is B vector is equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. With the help of all these three conditions, now we are going to finding its equation in both vector and Cartesian form. First one is a vector form. They did not mention here vector and Cartesian forms, just they are asking only find its equation. Find its equation means here we have to find out equation in both forms, vector and Cartesian forms. Vector form first here. To this vector form, let the given vector, position vector of the point capital A 1, 2, 3, you consider it is the OA vector is equal to small letter A vector is equal to 1i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. It is the one vector. Another one is we need OR vector also. OR vector is xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. No need that. And first we mentioned that B vector is, already they gave the B vector. B vector is 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. Then we have to apply vector form of equation of straight line. Last class I told a theorem on a line must be passing through a point and parallel to one vector is given by, in case of vector form, that is OR vector is equal to A vector plus lambda into B vector, where lambda is a real constant value here. In this formula, you substitute these two vectors here. See here I am going to substituting all this. OR vector is equal to A vector is I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap plus lambda into 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap, where lambda is any real constant. Now then you can write our vector is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap plus, you multiply all these three by lambda, then you will get 3 lambda I cap plus 2 lambda j cap minus 2 lambda k cap. Then afterwards take common as I cap for the given two terms, take j cap common for these two, take k cap common for these two. Then you will get our vector is equal to, from these two take common I cap, then you will get 1 plus 3 lambda of I cap. Next, from these two take j cap common, then you will get 2 plus 2 lambda of j cap plus, from these two k cap take common, then we will get 3 minus 2 lambda of k cap, which is the vector form of equation of straight line for the given question. Just they are asking only equation. They did not mention here vector form or Cartesian form. That's what here we have to give answer to both forms too, that is like vector form and Cartesian form here. This is the procedure for to find the vector form of equation of line when a line is passing through a point and parallel to one vector. Next one is a Cartesian form. Cartesian form means how to find out its Cartesian form here. Cartesian form is Cartesian form. First point, let the given point A is equal to, capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3. You consider this point as x1, y1, z1. Like that, if you can compare to these letters, x1 value is 1 and y1 value is 2, z1 value is 3. At the same time, b vector is parallel to b vector. B vector they gave here 3 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 2 k cap here. Then you comparing with the b vector is equal to b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. Then you collect the values here. b1 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to 2 and b3 is equal to minus 2. Then you substitute all the 6 values, x1 value, y1 value, z1 value, b1 value, b2 value, b3 value. Substitute in a Cartesian form of equation of straight line. Cartesian form of equation of straight line is x minus x1 by b1 is equal to y minus y1 by b2 is equal to z minus z1 by b3. In this formula substitute all these 6 values is equal to lambda, you can say, but known you may write or you may not write as your wish, but you should write all these 3 first. Here x minus x1, x minus x1 value is what we have here 1 whole dividing by b1 value is how much 3 is equal to x minus y minus y1 value is 2 whole dividing by b2 value is 2 here. Next z minus z1 value is 3 whole dividing by b3 value how much we have here minus 2, which is the Cartesian form of equation of a straight line. I told the two forms last class because we discussed, and at the same time I gave the proof in both the vector and Cartesian forms. And before that I gave that vector formation of equation of straight line. Just now we finished the Cartesian form of equation of straight line. Like that, if they can ask only, simply if they can ask find the equation of line means, at the time we have to find out both forms, that is vector and Cartesian forms. If they mention the name according to question, we have to give answer here. Next question is, same question. Next question is find the equation of line in vector and Cartesian forms passing through the position vector, passing through the point of position vector 2i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap, and in the direction of I cap plus 2j cap, I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap, passing through the position vector of the points. They are asking question in both forms here. Find the vector equation of line, vector and Cartesian form. They are asking both forms here. Thus they gave a line passing through the position vector of the points 2i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap. In the direction means it is the parallel to this line of this vector. Now solution for this is, first one is a Cartesian form. Sorry, vector. First one is vector form here. Vector form first. Here, see here. Position vector over here, capital A. First one is point 2 comma minus 1 comma 4. And in the direction here, in the direction of this vector means it is the parallel vector. B vector is equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Here general point P, x comma y comma z here. In this case, vector form is, first one is A vector is equal to position vector of the points k, capital A is equal to capital A. We can write OA vector is equal to 2i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap. That is A vector is equal to, we can write here 2i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap. It is the position vector of the point capital A here. Next, in the direction of the vector they give. In the direction of the vector, this means we must and should consider it is a parallel to the given line which is passing to the point capital A. That's what we can consider second vector. B vector is equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Vector form formula is a line passing through a point and parallel to one vector. Then vector form of equation of straight line is given by R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda into B vector. R vector is equal to A vector is 2i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap plus lambda of B vector is I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Then R vector is equal to, here I am writing here R vector is equal to 2i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap. Multiply with lambda to all these three here. Multiply all these three by lambda, then you will get all the three terms as lambda I cap plus 2 lambda j cap minus lambda k cap. R vector is equal to, here if you can observe, I cap coefficients 2, j cap coefficients 2 and k cap coefficients 2. From all these three you take common I cap, j cap and k cap respectively. Here from these two take I cap common, then you will get 2 plus lambda of I cap, and from these two take j cap common minus 1 plus 2 lambda of j cap. From these two take common plus 4 minus lambda of k cap, which is the vector form of equation of straight line. Vector form of equation of straight line this is. At the same time in this question they are asking Cartesian form also. In case of Cartesian form, we apply this is x1, y1, z1 and b1, b2, b3. You collected these three values from the given vector b vector here. Like that we are giving the procedure to find the vector form of equation of straight line. When it is passing through the position vector of the point capital A, that is 2i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap. In the direction of this vector means that should be parallel to this. B vector is equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. We collected these two vectors and substitute those two in vector form of equation of straight line. Required equation will get like this. Next, let us discuss about Cartesian form of equation of straight line. Cartesian form of equation of straight line here we will not see the terms I cap, j cap and k cap. Just we will see all the letters x, y, z or x1, y1, z1. See here, Cartesian form of equation of straight line here. Cartesian form of equation of straight line. Cartesian form of equation straight line. Capital A is 2, minus 1, 4. You considered it is x1, y1, z1. Next one is b vector. In the direction of that vector means parallel to that vector. B vector is equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Now comparing which b vector is equal to b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. b1 is equal to 1. Here at the side of I cap there is no anything, means we must should consider I cap coefficient as 1 here, and b2 is equal to here beside or the side of j cap we are seeing 2 as the coefficient of j cap. That's what, if you can compare like this, then b2 value is equal to here. Next, b3 is equal to minus 1. Substitute all these three and remaining 3 in the Cartesian form of equation of straight line. Cartesian form of equation of straight line formula is x minus x1 by b1 is equal to y minus y1 by b2 is equal to z minus z1 by b3. Last is equal to lambda. You may write or you may not write. To some questions, whenever we need is equal to lambda, at the time we are going to writing lambda. Right now, no need of writing lambda here. That's what, just write these three terms enough for this question. Now x minus x1 value is here 2 whole dividing by b1 value is 1 is equal to y minus y1 y minus, already minus 1 is there, that's what, minus of minus, it becomes plus 1 whole dividing by b2, b2 value is 2 is equal to z minus z1, z minus z1 value is 4 whole dividing by b3 value is minus 1, which is the Cartesian form of equation of straight line. Because in this question they mentioned and they asked two types of forms, that is a Cartesian form and a vector form. Before that I finished that vector form, and after that I finished the Cartesian form also. This is the procedure to find Cartesian form of equation of straight line when it is passing through a point and parallel to one vector. Next question. Next question is find the Cartesian equation of line passing through a point minus 2, 4, minus 5. And parallel to the line is given by x plus 3 whole dividing by x plus 3 whole dividing by 3 is equal to y minus 4 whole dividing by 5 is equal to z plus 8 whole dividing by 6. Here they are asking Cartesian form or vector form. They can ask any form. Just simply they are asking here Cartesian form of equation of straight line. They are asking here. They won't ask here vector form. Just simply they are asking only Cartesian form. To Cartesian form, what we need, we must and should select those values from the given two variables, from the given two quantities here. See here, one is capital A. We considered solution for this question is let the given point capital A minus 2, 4, minus 5. We considered it is x1, y1, z1. Next one is let the given line equation, it is x plus 3, x minus of minus 3 whole dividing by 3 here, y minus 4 whole dividing by 5 here, z minus of minus 8 plus can be written as 6. Why I am writing this form means, in any time if you can see equation of line like this in three-dimensional geometry, we must and should convert into this form, that is x minus x1 by b1 is equal to y minus y1 by b2 is equal to z minus z1 by b3. We must and should convert into this form. First we have to check the given line whether it is in this form or not. Whenever it is not in that form, try to convert that into that form. That is x minus x1 by b1 is equal to y minus y1 by b2 is equal to z minus z1 by b3. Now you can comparing with standard form of equation of straight line, that is x minus x1 by b1 is equal to y minus y1 by b2 is equal to z minus z1 by b3 here. b1 value is 3. We need only b1, b2 and b3 values for this question. That's what we have to select those three here. b2 is equal to 5 and b3 is equal to 6 here. Substitute all the 6 values here in this formula. Now they are asking Cartesian form of equation of straight line for this question. Cartesian form of equation of straight line here. Cartesian form of equation of straight line here. That is, Cartesian form of equation of straight line is x minus x1 by b1 is equal to y minus y1 by b2 is equal to z minus z1 by b3. In this formula, substitute all the 6 values here. See here, x1, y1 is minus 2, 4, minus 5. Substitute all the values here. X minus x1 value is minus 2, minus of minus plus 2, whole dividing by b1 is 3. Y minus y1 value is 4, minus 4, whole dividing by b2 value is 5 is equal to z minus z1 value is minus 5, minus of minus plus 5, whole dividing by b3 value is 6, which is the required equation of straight line in Cartesian form. We found this according to given two conditions. What they give conditions here? The line must be passing through point capital A, that is minus 2, 4, minus 5, and parallel to this vector. That means in this in the direction of this line. In the direction of this line means we need direction ratios of this line. They are 3, 5, 6. That's what I have written here, 3, 5, 6 for this line. There are 3, 5, 6 are the direction ratios of the required equation of straight line. That is passing to the point minus 2, 4, minus 5. Like that, we are finding a Cartesian form of equation of straight line by using the given two conditions here. Next question. Next question is, find the vector form. They gave Cartesian form. The Cartesian form of equation of straight line x minus 5 by 3. X minus 5 by 3 is equal to x minus 5 whole dividing by 3 is equal to y plus 4 by 7. Y plus 4 by 7 is equal to z minus 6 by 2. Z minus 6 by 2. Then find vector form. Then find vector form here. See here, by seeing this question, they gave Cartesian form of equation of straight line. With help of this Cartesian form of equation of straight line, we have to find out equation of line in vector form. And what we need for vector form, we must collect all from the given equation of straight line, that is from Cartesian equation of straight line here. Let us now, we are starting the solution of this question. Is the solution means let the given equation of line we should write first here. The given line x minus 5 dividing by 3 is equal to y plus 4 whole dividing by 7 is equal to z minus 6 by 2 here. Just now I told, whenever, if you can see like all these equations of straight lines in three-dimensional geometry, try to convert into the form, that is x minus x1 by b1 is equal to y minus y1 by b2 is equal to z minus z1 by b3. Wherever, if you can see the equations of lines like this, we must convert all these lines into that form. Like this, x minus 5 by 3, now next because it is in the form of x minus x1 by b1. But second one is not there in that form. Plus 4 is there. The plus 4 can be written as minus of minus 4, because the conversion of in that form is y minus y1 by b2 here. That's what we can write to this. Y plus can be written as minus of minus 4 whole dividing by 7 is equal to z minus 6 by 2 here. And afterwards you compare them with the general form of equation of straight line like this. X minus x1 by b1 is equal to y minus y1 by b2 is equal to z minus z1 by b3 is equal to some lambda, or you may consider or you may not consider as your wish. X1 value is minus 5, x1 value is plus 5 here. Y1 value is in correspond to y1 place is minus 4. Z1 value is 6, Z1 value is plus 6. We collected all these three here. Next, in place of b1 we have 3. b1 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to 7, b3 is equal to 2 here. We collected these three also. Now they are asking here vector form formula, vector form here, vector form here. A vector is equal to small a vector is equal to passes through a point here. It is the point 5 minus 4 6. Point is 5 minus 4 6 means here 5 cap minus 4 j cap plus 6 k cap here. Next b vector is equal to here. B vector means the vector is found by with help of direction ratios. Direction ratios means here b1, b2, b3 values, they are 3i cap plus 7j cap plus 2k cap. Then vector form formula is r vector is equal to a vector plus lambda into b vector. R vector is equal to a vector is 5i cap minus 4j cap plus 6k cap here, plus lambda into b vector is 3i cap plus 7j cap plus 2k cap here. R vector is equal to 5i cap minus 4j cap plus 6k cap. Multiply all these three by lambda, then we will get here 3 lambda I cap plus 7 lambda j cap plus 2 lambda k cap. Then afterwards we take common here, common terms. I take I cap common and take j cap common and take k cap common. Then we will get equation of required line is r vector is equal to from these two take I cap common, then we will get 5 plus 3 lambda, 5 plus 3 lambda of I cap. Next, from these two take j cap common, then we will get minus 4 plus 7 lambda, minus 4 plus 7 lambda of j cap, plus take k cap common, then we will get 6 plus 2 lambda, 6 plus 2 lambda of k cap. It is the vector formation of equation of straight line. They gave question in Cartesian form. With the help of that we have to find out equation in vector form. How means what we need for vector form? We must and should collect those two vectors a vector and b vector from the given problem, then afterwards substitute these two vectors in vector form of equation of straight line. This is the procedure for how to convert Cartesian into vector form. Next question. Next question is, a line is passing through 2 points at a time. How to find out vector and the Cartesian forms here? A line is passing through the 2 points. They did not mention any vectors here. Just they give only 2 points, 2 position vectors. So the points are only 2 points here. That is, question is, find the vector and Cartesian forms. A line passes through the origin and point. Origin and the one more point is 5 comma minus 2 comma 3. Origin means a point capital A is 0 comma 0 comma 0 here, and another point B is 5 comma minus 2 comma 3. Just they mentioned only 2 points here. A line is passing through the 2 points, only 2 points. That means here we have to apply concept of second theorem. What I told second theorem, if a line is passing through the 2 points, I gave 2 types of formulas. They are belonging to vector and Cartesian forms here. See here, passing the 2 points means here geometrical I am showing here, geometrically at the same time diagrammatically also I am showing here. A is the fixed point here. A is 1 point, that is 0 comma 0 comma 0, and B is 5 comma minus 2 comma 3 here, passing through 2 points here, and they are in the same direction. Wherever, if you can see general point, you can take general point P on any point here. You can take where P considered as x comma y comma z here. Like you can take here P or general point P here also here, x comma y comma z here. You can take like this, no problem. Or you can take outside also, no problem. It is a vector. This is a vector. This is. And this is the B vector, this is. They are in the same direction here. With the help of this diagram, have to give answer in both vector and Cartesian forms here. First one is vector form. Vector form, first one is. But given 2 points here. 2 points means we considered OA vector is equal to small letter a vector is equal to 0 of I cap plus 0 of j cap plus 0 of k cap here. Next, second point, you considered the position vector of second point B. It can be written as OB vector is equal to small letter b vector is equal to 5 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3k cap. Vector form formula is, in case of second theorem, that is a line must be passing through the 2 points at the time. We can write vector form is R vector is equal to a vector plus lambda of b vector minus a vector. B vector minus a vector, this is. Here R vector is equal to a vector is 0 of I cap plus 0 of j cap plus 0 of k cap plus, this is the one position vector of the given point here, lambda into b vector. B vector is 5 I cap minus 2 j cap minus plus 3k cap. Next, minus of means all the symbols will be changed. That is minus 0 of I cap, minus 0 of j cap, minus 0 of k cap. It's the close brackets. Next, R vector is equal to 0 means no need of writing all this. No, this is a null vector. Null vector means you may write this with help of zeros, or you may not write, or you can cancel it, because null vector means you may write or you may not write as you wish. That's what, better you leave this vector. If we can leave this, we'll get this vector only here. That is multiply with lambda, or lambda into 5i cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Here also one null vector is leave this, because if we can write or if we cannot write, and both are giving same meaning, that's what, better cancel it. Next, R vector is equal to multiply with lambda to all these three, then we will get 5 lambda I cap minus 2 lambda j cap plus 3 lambda k cap. It is the required equation of straight line in vector form. In vector form here. This is the vector form of equation of straight line. At the same time, they are asking a Cartesian form of equation of straight line also. Next, let us, we are going to giving solution for Cartesian form of equation of straight line. Cartesian form of equation of straight line here. Next one is Cartesian form of equation straight line. Cartesian form. At the given point capital A, you consider 0, 0, 0. You consider them as x1, y1, z1. The second point is base 5, minus 2, 3 here. You considered x2, y2, z2 here. x1 value is 0, y1 value is 0, z1 value is 0. x2 value is 5, y2 value is minus 2, and z2 value is 3. Now you substitute all these 6 values in the given Cartesian form of equation of straight line when it is passing through the 2 points. In this case, Cartesian form of equation of straight line is x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1 is equal to lambda. Lambda you may write or you may not write. Whenever need is there in that question, you should write lambda. Now no need of lambda here. That's what I am not writing lambda. To some questions we need lambda also. Whenever we are going to finding some points, at the time we need lambda also. At the time we can write lambda. Just we are not writing any, we are not finding any point here. Just we are finding only equation. That's what, no need of writing lambda here. That's what I am leaving the lambda here. Next, x minus x1. X minus x1 value is 0. Whole dividing by x2 minus x1. x2 value is 5. Minus x1 value is 0 is equal to y minus y1, y1 value is 0, whole dividing by y2 minus y1, minus 2 minus 0 is equal to z minus z1, z minus 0, whole dividing by z2 minus z1, 3 minus 0 is equal to x by 5 is equal to y by minus 2 is equal to z by 3, which is the required equation of line in Cartesian form. Like that, we are going to finding Cartesian form whenever a line must be passing through the given 2 points. And before that, we have found that Cartesian form of equation of straight line when it is passing through the position vectors of the given 2 points. Like that, we are giving answer in Cartesian form and vector form. That is same question for next question also same, similar to this. One more question is there. In that question also, a line must be passing through the 2 points. Whenever a line should be passing through 2 points, we have to apply this procedure to both vector and Cartesian forms. Next, find the equation of line vector and in vector and Cartesian forms when it is passing through the 2 points. One is, first point is 3, minus 2, 3, minus 2, minus 5. First point. Second point is 3, minus 2, 6. 2 points here also. Diagrammatically I am showing here, see here. There's 2 points here. A is 3, minus 2, minus 5 here. B is 3, minus 2, 6 here. General point you can write this side or this side, but that should be lies on that line is P here. It is X, Y, Z here. And O is the fixed point here. Here R vector. Here small letter B vector. Here small letter A vector. Direction is same here. That is, with the help of all the 3 conditions, we have to find out equation in vector form and Cartesian form. First one is vector form here. Vector form is at the given position vectors of given 2 points. OA vector is equal to A vector is equal to 3i cap minus 2j cap minus 5k cap. OB vector is equal to small letter b vector is equal to 3i cap minus 2j cap. We have to give vector notations for all these 3 numbers. Next, plus 6k cap here. In the vector form formula is R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda of B vector minus A vector here. R vector is equal to A vector is we have 3i cap minus 2j cap minus 5k cap. Close this bracket. Plus lambda of B vector is 3i cap minus 2j cap plus 6k cap. Minus of this means then all symbols will be changed here. Minus of minus 3i cap, minus of minus plus 2j cap, minus of minus plus 5k cap. R vector is equal to 3i cap minus 2j cap minus 5k cap here plus lambda into here plus 3i minus 3 gets cancelled minus 2j plus 2j gets cancelled 6 plus 5 11k cap here remaining gets cancelled. Next, on simplifications it becomes separate should write here I am going to writing R vector is equal to only I cap is one term, that's what we should write 3i cap only here. J cap also one term, that is minus 2j cap minus 5k cap and plus 11 lambda k cap. From these two what we can take common? K cap take common, then we will get a minus 5 plus 11 lambda of k cap, which is vector form of equation of straight line. Which is a vector form of equation of straight line. Next one is a Cartesian form. The given 2 points they gave here. From the given 2 points we considered the position vectors of the 2 points capital A and capital B. According to those, we must consider A vector and B vector. And after considering these two, substitute these two in a vector form of equation of straight line when it is passing the 2 points. In that form substitute. On simplification, we'll get required equation of straight line in vector form. At the same time, they're asking here Cartesian form also. How to solve the Cartesian form means it's very simple. Comparatively vector, Cartesian form is very simple. By remembering formula, just substitute all the values of given 2 points, then we'll get equation of straight line in Cartesian form also here. Cartesian form. Cartesian form. At the given 2 points, capital A, 3 comma minus 2 comma minus 5, you considered it is x1 comma y1 comma z1. B here. 3 comma minus 2 comma 6, you considered it is x2 comma y2 comma z2 here. Then vector form of equation of straight line. Here I am writing that formula. X minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 whole dividing by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 whole dividing by z2 minus z1. That is x minus x1, x1 value is 3 whole dividing by x2 minus x1, 3 minus 3 is equal to y minus y1, already minus 2 is there, minus of minus we can write here plus 2, y2 minus y1 minus 2 minus of minus plus 2 here, z minus z1, z minus of minus plus 5 whole dividing by 6 minus of minus plus 5 here. Then we will get required equation of straight line is x minus 3 by 0 is equal to y plus 2 by 0 is equal to z plus 5 whole dividing by 11 is equal to lambda. You may write or you may not write as you wish. This is the required equation of straight line in Cartesian form. Like that, we are going to finding a vector form and Cartesian form whenever a line must be passing through the given 2 points. Before that, we finish the problems. A line must be passing through a point and parallel to one vector. In both vector and Cartesian forms, we finished all types of problems in that case. Now in the second theorem case, whenever a line must be passing through the given 2 points, we have finished the problems in both vector and Cartesian forms also. Next class will solve about shortest between the skew lines. What are the skew lines? How to find out cosine of angle between the two vectors. This means 2 lines. At the same time, how to find out the distance between the 2 parallel lines. Next class we will discuss about all these 3. That is the shortest distance. That means the distance between the skew lines. Cosine of angle between the 2 lines and distance between the 2 parallel lines. Thank you very much.